today we are going to talk about e-commerce applications and the benefits e-commerce application is going to give to you. So here, if you seriously want to build your own e-commerce application, or you're just curious that what e-commerce applications really are and how they are going to benefit you and your business, then this video is for you, because in today's video I've covered great and very important insights which you should really know about. So watch the full video till then, because the whole video contains very important parts. Simply put, e-commerce app is a mobile application which allows your users to browse and buy products or even services on an online store. And here, with the increasing popularity of mobile commerce, e-commerce applications are also becoming very popular, specifically in India. And here you can see that there are popular e-commerce applications like Flipkart, Amazon, but they are leading the whole market. But still, Meesho popped in and it was successful. So you can also start your own application, and there's a huge amount of potential and opportunity for new applications too, if you're providing something new, variety and convenience to your users. So what are the benefits which you are going to get from your own e-commerce application? First is increased sales. So e-commerce application can be really a game changer for your business. Putting your store on the palms of your customer's hand will make your wide audience, will give you a wider range of audience, plus you are also going to boost your sales. Study shows that applications increases the sales by 50%. For example, your current sale is 1 lakh, then as you start your own e-commerce application, then your sale might be 1,50,000. So with e-commerce application, you can strengthen your bond with your customers, with your users, and you can also build brand loyalty. Here you can send personalized notifications, messages, special offers, and also new product alerts to keep your brand on top of your users' mind. Here, by providing seamless and user-friendly experience from your own e-commerce application, you can encourage your users to come again and again on your application, making them your own loyal customer. So if you're now stunned with the benefits of e-commerce application and you now want to build your own e-commerce application, or you just want to know how you can start one, or you seriously want an app consultancy, then let me tell you, my friends, right now in our company we are providing you 20 minutes free app consultancy services which you can avail right now by calling on this number. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is also linked in the description. Our contact number is also given in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.